Did you know you could make money online with the help of artificial intelligence? In this video, we are going to share with you the top 5 ways to make money using Chat-GPT to help you decide which is the best one for you. Welcome to Money Masters, the ultimate destination for anyone who wants to unlock the secrets of making money online. In this channel, we'll take you on a journey to discover new innovative ways to increase your income, whether you're looking to start a side hustle or make a full-time living online. So if you're ready to learn from the best and take your financial game to the next level, get comfortable and get ready to take notes. Make sure you stick around to the end as we have a bonus idea to share with you. We'll be discussing how to use Chat-GPT to help you get started in creating a passive income stream. The first way to make money using Chat-GPT is freelance writing or blog post writing. However, you don't need to be an expert in academic writing. Instead, consider focusing on a topic you're passionate about, such as cooking, Spanish, or coding. During your free time, search for writing jobs that align with your expertise. Once you've found a job, you can use Chat-GPT to generate an outline, or even a whole article for you. However, keep in mind that if everyone is using Chat-GPT, you might become obsolete. Just like autopilot on a plane, human intervention is still needed. So, when Chat-GPT generates an article for you, take the time to edit it and make it your own. This will help you stand out from the crowd and establish your own unique writing style. One benefit of using Chat-GPT is that it can also help you generate ideas for your articles or blogs. If you're feeling stuck, you can use Chat-GPT as an assistant to generate fresh and innovative ideas. By doing so, you'll be able to produce high-quality content that is relevant and interesting to your readers. It's important to note that Chat-GPT is not an AI bot that will do exactly everything for you, just so you can just sit back and relax. Instead, it should be viewed as a tool to assist you in your writing and content creation. While it can certainly help streamline the writing process, it's still up to you to put in the time and effort to create high-quality content that engages your audience. Second way to make money with Chat-GPT is by using it to improve your chances of getting a higher-paying job. By optimizing your resume and CV, you can significantly increase your chances of landing a better-paying job. Let's say you're applying for a job as a marketing manager. You have a solid background in marketing, but you're not sure how to highlight your achievements in your resume. You can use Chat-GPT to help you rephrase your accomplishments in a more compelling way. The tool can suggest more powerful action verbs and help you avoid vague or unprofessional language. After making the suggested changes, you can then tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for. By highlighting the skills and experience that are most relevant to the position, you can make yourself a more attractive candidate. For example, let's say that the marketing manager position requires experience in social media marketing. You can use Chat-GPT to help you reword your social media marketing experience and achievements in a way that will grab the attention of the recruiter. You can also use Chat-GPT to analyze the job description and make sure that your resume includes the keywords that the recruiter is looking for. With Chat-GPT's help, you can make sure that your resume and CV are polished and professional, increasing your chances of standing out from other applicants and landing the job you want. The third way to make money is by writing an ebook. In the past, people had to write the entire book themselves, but nowadays, with Chat-GPT, you can use it to write the content page and even write whole paragraphs or chapters for you. If you don't like what Chat-GPT wrote, you can ask it to make it more interesting or funnier or even less boring. However, if you're not sure what to write about, don't worry, there's always something you're better at than someone else, even something as simple as how to learn English or how to meditate. For example, imagine you're applying for a job that requires excellent communication skills. You may want to write an ebook about how to improve your communication skills using Chat-GPT to help you come up with ideas and even write parts of the book for you. You can then edit the book to make sure it reflects your personal taste and style. But it's important to remember that you still have to put in the hard work. Don't be just another copy-paste author who is only trying to make a quick buck. Your readers will appreciate it if you write from your heart and share your own experiences and insights. By doing so, you can create a book that people will find valuable and want to buy, which can help you make money in the long run. Using Chat-GPT to help you write an ebook is an excellent way to make money. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or simply have a passion for a subject, creating an ebook can bring both satisfaction and financial gain. So feel free to try it out if it's something you could imagine doing. Take advantage of the tools available to you and start writing today. The fourth way to earn money using Chat-GPT is by offering scriptwriting services to YouTube video creators who would rather outsource all the scriptwriting for their videos. With the help of Chat-GPT, you can write compelling and engaging scripts that will keep their viewers hooked and increase engagement in their videos. To provide this service, you can advertise your services on various platforms such as social media, freelance websites, or through word of mouth. When potential clients approach you, you can ask for their video niche, target audience, and any specific requirements they have in mind for the script. Once you have all the details, you can use Chat-GPT to generate an outline for the script. However, it is essential to remember that Chat-GPT is an AI language model and may not always produce a perfect script. Therefore, you will need to edit and tweak the script to ensure that it aligns with the client's requirements and reflects their brand's voice and tone. When delivering the final script, make sure to provide the client with the necessary revisions until they are satisfied with the result. Pricing for this service can vary based on the length and complexity of the script. You can charge per word or per project. In summary, providing scriptwriting services to YouTube video creators can be a lucrative and exciting opportunity. With the help of Chat-GPT, you can produce high-quality scripts that meet the client's requirements and help them stand out in their niche. Point number 5 is specifically for traders. You can use Chat-GPT to develop an expert advisor by coding any technical indicator or strategy you want and putting it into a trading platform. But keep in mind that Chat-GPT is not perfect, and you must have coding knowledge to verify the generated code. You can even save time reading financial articles by using Chat-GPT to summarize any lengthy articles into bullet points. This feature is very useful as it provides you with all the essential information in a concise format. But it's crucial to understand that Chat-GPT is an assistant and not a crystal ball or a trading mentor. It can't provide you with signals or tell you whether you should buy, for example, Bitcoin today or not. It can only provide you with trading insights and suggestions. Earlier in the video, we said we were going to share with you an extra bonus for you true viewers who watched this far, so let's get right to it. Our bonus idea is learning how to invest in the stock market by using Chat-GPT. When investing in the stock market, you are buying ownership in a piece of company. If the company does well, your piece gets bigger and you make money without doing anything extra. That's great passive income. And Chat-GPT is a great tool to use in order to get a better understanding of investing. For example, if there are any specific investing terms that you are not familiar with, you can ask Chat-GPT. You can ask questions like what is a fund, but what's so unique about it is that you can ask longer questions. For example, how do you know if a stock is a good investment? Or what are some common mistakes that new investors make? And how can I avoid them? This way you get a better understanding of things that are important to know before buying a stock, and get an idea of how to start and what things would be more likely to suit you as a beginner investor. While Chat-GPT is a valuable resource to use when learning how to start investing, it is important to remember that it is just one tool in your investing toolkit. Although Chat-GPT is often reliable, there may be instances where it does not provide accurate information. This emphasizes the importance of obtaining information from multiple sources and taking everything with a grain of salt. You should then build your investing strategy based on what suits you best and then consult with a financial advisor before making any first moves. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss a new video release where we share tips on new ways to make more money online. And if you're interested in exploring other ways to create passive income streams, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be discussing how to create 5 new passive income streams. Take care and see you in the next video.